good morning. And this time may liwanag na. I will be doing the same spot, same pose challenge this time. That is after 15 years. So medyo nakapagod, but it was fun. And then nakita ko yung malaking development 15 years ago nitong Atayak Hill. So yung parking, malaki yung parking area nila. They have good restrooms. They also have mga tindahan. You can have your breakfast, dinner, or whatever. Sina mga friends natin nandyan. And yung mas okay kung pupunta kayo dito early morning kagaya ng ginawa namin. So we woke up at around 4 AM and then narito kami mga 5 or 6 AM for the sunrise. So along the way nakita namin kung gaano kaganda yung Bukang Liwayway. So it was nice. And then yung mga kasama ko here, yung family namin, we just had a snack tayo kami dyan. And then later we will be having our lunch siguro in one of the lakes in San Pablo City kasi it's nearby lang. So yan, very nakarest sila. Tapos yung mga yon nandun. Yan, so kumusta naman ang trip? Pagod? Pagod? Happy. Yan, exercise. Oo. Bumibilis lumakad yung mga bagal lumakad. Pagpapababa. Ayun. So that's it for our Atayak Hill escapade. And we will try na mag-lunch sa Yambu Lake. Unfortunately, it was temporarily closed and maybe next time we will do our picnic here. Ang pwede lang daw as of now is to photo ops and silip daw muna. So silipin natin ay Yambu Lake right now. Siguro I've been here mga 10 years ago. Ngayon lang uli ako nakabalik. So this is nice, very relaxing yung environment at saka yung tubig.